Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to restore a project. So in a previous video I showed you how to back up your project. I'm now going to show you how to take that backup and restore it into either the same version of FieldGenius or a different copy of FieldGenius. Let's say you had to move your projects from one data collector to another. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've just got this one FieldGenius project open, and I'm going to head to my projects folder on the left here, and that's going to bring up all of my existing projects. In the top right corner here, I'm going to hit the three dots. That's going to give me a little drop down menu with one option, and that is, just like the title of this video, the restore project option. So I'm going to click that, and what that's going to do is it's going to open up my restore archive project menu. And from within my menu here, I'm going to want to click this browse this device. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring me to all the folders on my device. I'm going to navigate to my archive folder where I have this backup saved in my backup folder. That's a lie. It's not in my backup folder. It is actually just this archived folder right here, this XML import. And you're going to see that it gives me a name and the archive date of when I archived that project. And if I click on restore here, what that's going to do is it's now going to bring my project into my projects menu. And if I select my open project option here and bring myself to my main menu, I've restored this project and I'm good to continue working on it as if nothing had happened. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android to restore a previously backed up project. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.